My name is David Haenel, and I'm one of the attorneys here at Fine, Bloom & Haenel. My office does hundreds of traffic ticket cases a month. One of the most common types of tickets issued by Florida law enforcement officers are speeding tickets. There are typically two different types of speeding tickets. You could be cited for unlawful speed, which typically in the terminology means full boat, which means the officer charged you with every mile that you were traveling above the posted speed limit. Or you could have been cited with violating the speed limit sign, typically known as violation of a traffic control device. What's the difference between the two? One typically has more points assessed. The other one has a lower fine and less points. That would be traffic control device. People call my office every day as a result of being stopped and issued tickets from officers operating a radar device. They want to know, why would I hire your firm? What is it that you can do for me? How does radar work? I'm here to answer some of your questions. Radar works on something called the Doppler principle. In the state of Florida, before a law enforcement officer starts the shift, he is required to calibrate his radar unit. They will do that by taking a tuning fork, something like this. They actually are issued two of them. They will strike it on a solid object and hold it in front of an antenna. That's the type of antenna that they're going to get your speed reading, or that they got your speed reading as you travel down the roadway. Every radar unit in the state of Florida is equipped with something like this, a target speed and a patrol speed. This is an actual dual stalker radar that was used by the Florida Highway Patrol for years. Many officers in the state have two antennas. They can clock you coming and they can clock you going as you're behind them. Anytime you get a ticket, we go to court for you, we'll do everything we can to beat that citation. We will make sure the officer's radar was calibrated before the shift and at the end of his shift. We will make sure that they did a visual estimation of your speed. We will make sure that they complied with all the rules and regulations that are set forth in the Florida Administrative Code. That is the Bible that law enforcement must follow to the T in order for your ticket to be upheld in court. If there are any holes, we will poke them. We will do everything we possibly can to get your ticket dismissed. If we can't get it dismissed, we'll do everything we can to keep the points off. Who better to fight for your unlawful speeding ticket than the guy who trains law enforcement? I actually lecture at the police academy on radar and laser issues. I've taken the same classes that these law enforcement officers have taken. So give me a call at 800-FIGHT-IT. That's 800-344-4848. I'm here to talk about the particular facts of your ticket.